Horizon Worlds has launched a new Titanic simulation, and I am here for it. Also, I'm getting my tubes tied immediately. I will explain why in a bit. But first, here's a quick run through. So I've had an obsession with putting all of those puzzle pieces from Titanic's demise together for a long time, and so the resurgence of interest makes me kinda giddy. In this world, you'll spawn on the aft end of the ship just before the iceberg hits. The goal is to make it to one of the few lifeboats before the boat splits in half and ultimately sinks.
Is there anyone there? Yes, what do you see? Iceberg, right ahead! Thank you.
And just like in reality, you have several outcomes. You'll either fall off the ship to your death, you'll make it to the lifeboat, or you'll pull a Rose and Jack and stay on the boat until it sinks. Either way, experiencing the simulation firsthand is really eerie, but somehow satisfyingly accurate. Strongly recommended, even if just for curiosity's sake. I had to finally just make a private entry for myself because the kids who joined were driving me and my earballs insane. I do love that they're visiting the world and they seem genuinely interested in the story. It's really nice to see. Titanic is available in Meta Horizon Worlds, which, as you may know, is free to use and explore.
You're not teaching the girl for
Wait! Everybody push this girl off! Nah! Push this guy off! We need to help the captain! We need to help the captain! No, you come here! We need to help the captain! Come on! No! Get on the boat! No, we don't! About it! Guys, go on the other boat! No! I don't have time! There's only 3 people! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming with you! Friend! Get in! Get up! Come on! No! No, friend! I'm like, get on! No, you come on! Jump! Yeah,
Everyone, it's okay. No one needs to go on the lifeboats. Yeah, it's okay. The ship will be just fine.
Get off, yo! That be
The ship will be just fine.
Okay. No, I'm
The
staying
ship
in
will
here!
be just fine.
Okay, I'm gonna go have dinner.
Oh, go!
It will be just fine.
Friend, is it go down? Come on, oh, come on.
No, the captain said we're okay.
The captain's trying to kill us. Yeah.
I'm gonna go have dinner.
Boys, go on, boys. It's lifeboat. Everybody, get off. Everybody, let's go. Everybody,
If you men don't get off, I will shoot.
We're all gonna drown.
Sorry.